Are you tired of hearing about side hustles that require hours of hard work, skills you don't have, or expensive investments? Well, today, I'm sharing the laziest way to earn $100 a day online. No fancy degrees, no 9-to-5 grind, and best of all, minimal effort. Stick around, because this could be the easiest money you'll ever make. Let's get straight to the point. The lazy method we're diving into is affiliate marketing. If you've ever clicked a link in someone's bio, bought a product, and thought nothing of it, chances are you've just contributed to someone's affiliate income. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products or services to others and earning a commission for each sale made through your link. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is, when you know the right steps to take. Here's why affiliate marketing is a dream for lazy earners. 1. Zero product creation. You don't need to build or design anything. The product is already made. 2. No customer support. You don't handle complaints, returns, or questions. That's the seller's job. 3. Set it and forget it. Once your links are out there, they can keep earning for you, even while you sleep. Companies love paying affiliates because it's performance-based. You only get paid when someone makes a purchase, which makes this a win-win situation. Affiliate marketing opportunities are everywhere. Here are the best platforms for beginners. 1. Amazon Associates. Perfect for beginners because Amazon sells almost everything, and you can earn commissions on any product people buy through your link. 2. ClickBank. Focused on digital products like ebooks and courses. Higher commissions, often 50% or more. 3. ShareASale. Offers a mix of physical and digital products with thousands of brands to choose from. 4th. Social media platforms. Sites like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are gold mines for affiliate marketers. You don't need a blog or website, just post your links where people are already scrolling. Let's be realistic here. Affiliate marketing isn't an instant ATM machine. However, with a lazy yet strategic approach, you can start seeing results within a few days to weeks. This depends on consistency, posting regularly, even if it's low effort, niche selection, choosing popular and profitable topics, traffic sources. The more eyeballs on your links, the faster you'll earn. Remember, the key is to work smart, not hard. Now, let's break this down into an actionable lazy person's guide. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Start by thinking about topics you like or trending areas. Popular niches include health and fitness, technology and gadgets, personal finance, beauty and skincare, pet care. Once you've picked a niche, it's time to move to the next step. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Go to platforms like Amazon Associates, easy for beginners, ClickBank, higher commissions, ShareASale, huge variety of brands. Create an account, and you'll receive unique affiliate links to promote products. Step 3. Create low-effort content. Here's where the lazy magic happens. You don't need to create long, detailed blogs or videos. Instead, use tools and strategies like these. Short videos. Create 30-second product highlights for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Pins on Pinterest. Use Canva to make eye-catching product pins and link them to your affiliate products. Social media posts. Write quick posts with captions like, "This gadget changed my life," and include your link. AI tools like ChatGPT can help write captions, product descriptions, or even script your short videos for you. Step 4. Drive traffic with minimal work. You don't have to become a social media guru. Use these simple methods. 1. Trending. Hashtags. Add popular hashtags to your posts for better reach. 2. Repost content. Repurpose your TikToks as Instagram Reels and Pinterest pins. 3. Engage lightly. Reply to comments or share your post on relevant Facebook groups. This keeps the algorithm in your favor with minimal effort. Step 5. Automate and scale. Once you know what works, automate everything. Use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule posts. Invest in AI tools for quick content creation. Scale by promoting more products within your niche. The more links you put out there, the more opportunities you have to earn. To make this even easier, here are some bonus tips. Use AI tools like Jasper or ChatGPT to create content faster. Focus on recurring commissions. Promote subscription services like VPNs or streaming apps so you earn monthly. Leverage trends. Jump on trending products or hashtags to maximize visibility. And that's it. The laziest way to earn $100 a day online. No excuses, no overthinking. Just pick a niche, sign up, post some links, and let the system do the work. Affiliate marketing is perfect for anyone who wants to make money without sacrificing their free time. The best part? Once you've set everything up, it practically runs itself. So why not give it a shot today? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which niche you'd like to start with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe now for more effortless ways to earn money online.